When I received my culinary medicine degree, it seemed like the theme was we love legumes. And it's true. And the reason we love legumes is pretty simple. Legumes contain high protein, high fat. They're one of the points on the Mediterranean diet scale. But what are they? So some examples of legumes are beans, including green beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, all those beans, soybeans, but also lentils and chickpeas, my favorite, and peanuts. Not other nuts, just peanuts. So today, I'm gonna show you my favorite recipe for legumes, which is chickpeas or garbanzo beans, simply made using an air fryer. It's a healthy snack, it's great. Once you try them, you're just going to fall in love with them like I do. Let's dig in. The only thing we're gonna add is a little extra virgin olive oil, some salt, generous with that, mix it up, a little more salt, because as you lose weight, you actually lose a little bit of salt. So if you're gonna lose weight, don't be afraid of the salt. Now we're gonna cook it. Just a quick shake at 5 minutes to get all of the garbanzo beans or chickpeas there. You know, as you hear this, it's gonna sound like popcorn popping sometimes. That's okay. That's the color they should be, a nice golden brown, nice and crisp. So let's put these in. My favorite way to have these is with just a little bit of Parmesan cheese and some dried parsley and a touch of lemon to, as Simon says, set off the ignition of the tongue. That's a great snack.